Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this travel website using React.js. Uh, Now let's go to the website. Now we are in the navbar section. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the next section, that is popular destinations, Bhadrachalam, Telangana. You can see how photos are aligned. Then the recent trips. You can see the hover effect on the images and the box shadow effect. Then we have the footer with social media icons. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the about section. This is the about section, our mission and our vision. Then service section. You can see the recent trips, hovering effect, and box shadow effect around the trips. Then contact form. You can see the contact form, name, email, subject, and message. Then send button. You can see the hover effect. This home section. This entire website is responsive. So let's view it in the mobile version also. This is the desktop version. We have seen it before. Now let's go to the mobile version. You can see the navbar, menu bar, how smooth effect, transition effect is there. Service section. You can see it can go even smaller in size. So it is very responsive to small devices too. Desktop. A very smooth transition. This entire website is made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this plant store website, responsive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with night mode and light mode, as you can see here. Now we will go to the navbar, home, about. Before that, the source code for this website is available in the description and you can download for free. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. So here we are in the home page of the website. Home, about, products, FAQs, contact us, and night mode to light mode shifting button and explore button. And here we have our social media icons: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see by using swiper, that is AOS, we have used the transition. And then steps to start your plant collection: choose plant, place an order, get plants delivered. Next we have, you can see how smoothly the animation is taking place. The plants, the add to cart button. Then we have the most common asked questions. It is a small button function. Then we have contact us form. You can contact through this number or to write an email. This is the form. You can subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest updates. Our address, phone number, social media icons, and we accept all types of credit, that is payment gateway. Now we will see the website in the night mode. Whatever website you are creating, if you want to implement night and dark mode, definitely try to use bright colors in the dark mode so that it can be appealing to see. Like here I've used bright white color and dark green color. Home section, about section, the collections, products, Then we have FAQs, most asked questions and answers. Then you contact us, and footer. It's the with subscription to our newsletter and credit card details. This website is entirely responsive for desktop, tab as well as for mobile devices. Let me show you. This is the desktop version as you've seen before. Let me show you the night. This is the mobile version. You can see the menu bar, home, then we have about, then products, and most commonly asked questions, contact and newsletter. And you can see the light and dark mode available on the menu header. You can change from light mode to dark mode. Then the website is also available in the tab version. This is the tab version of the website. When definitely try to implement this project by yourself, you can find the entire code. The source code is available in the description. Try to practice as many projects as you can to improve your front-end work. First, if you are very professional at HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then it will be very easy for you to implement these websites in the React.js, because React.js is one of the most widely used front-end framework. So definitely try to master HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I also try to learn the latest versions like HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript, ECMAScript 6. This is the desktop version. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing front-end works and designs. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So now let's go through each and every slide. Right now we are in the home section, the navbar section. You can see the hover effect on the nav links, skills, contact and download CV button. Then you can see the text, and you can see the space between each and how they are aligned perfectly, and you can see the hover effect. And by using the border radius, we are able to have this curve at the edges. It is a CSS. Then you can see how we aligned the frame boxes with 3 align on by using the position absolute. Next we have is our about section. You can see in the about section we have used ion icons. We have used them to display here, and you can see the hover effect on the button, and you can see the position. By using the position value, how we are aligning the images one on the another, and how they are aligned at particular positions of the on the website. Then we have the portfolio section, and you can see the hover effect on it. Zoom in, and you can see the button here, view project button, and you can implement as many projects as you want. Then we have the my skills section, and by using the bar, this is done by using CSS and HTML, and by that we are able to showcase how much percentage of proficiency that we have in the particular skill that we are in. You can see 95% in HTML, JavaScript 90%. This is one of the ways to showcase your skills by using HTML and CSS. We have done that. Now you can see the contact me form. You can see the focus, the background around the button, how neatly we have aligned it, and you can see the hover effect on the button, as well as we have integrated the ion icons into our website. You can see phone, email, and the hover effect on the email ID and mobile number. Then this is the terms and conditions, and to go back to the top, you can click on this button so that we will be moved back to the starting page. So we have this entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile and tab version. Let me show you that. So this is the desktop version that we have seen now, and now let's go to the mobile version. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see how neatly they are aligned in the mobile screen size, based on mobile screen size, and you can see the menu bar here. This is the menu bar, and you can see how we are able to move from one tab to the another tab, that is one section to the another section, by clicking on the menu element. And we have you can see how the smooth animation effect, and everything is aligned perfectly. uh, the source code is available in the description. If you want to create such amazing projects and learn web development, definitely try to visit the channel and try to build these projects on your own. The source code is also available for any queries. You can go through the source code and try to learn how I have aligned all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for creating such an amazing website. And if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this. The full tutorials, line by line code explanations are available on my channel. Definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. So let's go through each and every section. So this is the home section. You can see the hover effect on the social media icons. You can see the box effect on the button, and you can see the same box effect and how linearly they were aligned. Then you can see the skill section, the scroll bar screen section, you can see, and the box effect around them. Then you can see the hover effect on the portfolio, that is our recent work. Then you can see the form, name, email, and your text area for your message. Then this website is also you can see the smooth animation, scrolling effect by using the scroll reveal JavaScript library. We have done this, and this website is also available in dark mode. Let me show you that. Right now we are in the dark mode. You can see the smooth animation. You can see the rectangular box which is not visible in the light mode. You can see the smooth transition effect, and this website is responsive, that is, it is available in desktop version, mobile version, and even in the tab version. Let me show you that. About this is the mobile, the smooth transition effect. Right and dark. So this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript We have used remix icons, we have used box icons, and uh, scroll reveal JavaScript library to get the best out of it. We have also integrated dark and light mode with very minimal code. Definitely try to build this project. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this glass morphism food website. You can see by using the gas JavaScript library we have done this animation as shown here, and we have in the navbar we have taste as well as add to cart button. Then we have the main text delicious food for home, and you can see the hover effect on the button, and you can see the gas JavaScript library which is used for this smooth animation. You can see how the text is aligned, how the image is pouring on. If the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.